To create one, start by going to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, select the Chart option. In the Insert Chart dialog box, find and select the Stock category on the left side. You'll see different stock chart styles such as High-Low Close or Open High-Low Close. Choose the style that fits your data best and click OK. Word will insert the stock chart into your document. When the chart appears, a spreadsheet window will open with sample data. This spreadsheet controls the values shown on your chart. Replace the default numbers with your own stock data, including columns for dates, opening prices, highs, lows, and closing prices as needed. Each change you make in the spreadsheet updates the chart in real time, so you can immediately see how your data looks. After entering your data, close the spreadsheet to return to the document. You can move and resize the stock chart by clicking on it to select. Use the handles on the edges or corners to adjust its size, and drag it to reposition it anywhere on the page. To control how the chart interacts with surrounding text, click the Layout Options icon and select your preferred text wrapping and positioning. To customize the chart further, you can edit the title by clicking on the placeholder text and typing your own. You can also add or remove elements like legends, data labels, or axes by using the Chart Elements button. These tools help make your chart easier to read and more informative. If you want to change the look of your stock chart, navigate to the Chart Design tab. From here, you can explore different chart styles and color schemes to suit your document style. Remember, the stock chart is dynamic. If you need to update your data, just select the chart, go to Chart Design, and click Edit Data. The spreadsheet will reopen so you can make changes which will automatically update your chart. That wraps up how to create and customize a stock chart in MS Word. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.